Hello everyone, thanks again for tuning in to our videos. This time we're coming to you from the beautiful Mojave Preserve. We spent 2 weeks in this magical location soaking up all the different things that this area has to offer. The first hike you're going to see today is at Kelso Dunes. This is the premier hike in the entire area. It is very popular, but also very difficult. The second hike you're going to see today is going to be at the lava tubes and the lava fields. This was a very short hike, but very, very rewarding in lots of different ways, as you'll see in this video. And then lastly, the very last hike in this video, we have the Hole in the Wall Rings Trail, another premier hiking spot for the area. As always, please don't hesitate to leave comments below on things we can do to improve these videos, as we are still learning how to do these types of things. And I hope you guys enjoy.
Minor hill done, major hill still to go.
Way up there. Maybe halfway. Maybe halfway.
Okay, so you can't really see it, but over there, right?
We're parked over there.
Okay, well, you can't see it. But we're trying to get up here. Doesn't look as steep on the camera, but it is.
Guys, this is level. That is what sent us climbing up. I know the camera doesn't catch it very well, but
Now there's like a little sand avalanche.
this is super steep, and that sand is super loose. Every time you step, you go backwards another 6 inches from your normal step. It is exhausting.
That was rough.
Yeah, but you get the payoff.
I do get the payoff. It's pretty amazing. Hi, Maple. Maple was like a champ. Okay, so the deep sand is way more fun.
Oh yeah, you got to go in the deep sand.
There's There's no deep sand here.
You gotta go over here.
It's all hard.
Over here. All right.
Okay.
I'm still going, so.
Maple's ready. Okay,
Ready?
Maple, come.
Go.
I hope to be careful with her.
Come on, girl, let's go.
Oh,
Woo! Maple's pulling me. This is ridiculous. Woohoo! All right, Maple, hold up. Come on down.
Dylan, you might need a break.
She might need one.
Oh, too bad.
She's so fast.
She is so fast. Whew. You with your little horse?
Yep.
Hey Eric, how do you rate this hike on the way up?
On the way up, 3 out of 5. Difficult, hard, grueling.
How do you rate the hike on the way down?
10 out of 5. Amazing, super fun. Sliding down the hill, it was amazing.
Maple? Maple girl? Hey, sweetie. Maple, sit. Maple, how do you rate the hike? Maple. Maple, look at me. Maple, how do you rate the hike on the way up? Maple, how do you rate the hike on the way up? Can't do it with her.
She's impossible.
Loser.
Come on, girl. Tinkerbell definitely no. Maple might have done it. All right.
Oh, holy shit, how do
Wow. It was both ways.
Both ways, it looks like a scramble.
Yeah. It's definitely a scramble either way. But time for some flashlight action, I think. Alright. Flashlight is on, so when it gets real dark, you should be able to see.
Oh, this is so cool. Did you get a close up of how this rock here?
Oh yeah, how it looks, yeah.
This is really cool.
Helps if I take my sunglasses off, probably. Ooh, yeah.
My dippy little flashlight doesn't do shit.
You gotta get low for that, and then it opens up very nicely here.
Alright, can you come back with the light? I can't see it really anything.
You see now?
Can you come a little bit closer?
Watch your head.
Like, yeah, I can't see really anything. Oh, wow. Yeah, my flashlight doesn't do anything.
Swamp me then.
Oh, it's fine. You need a quick flashlight with the...
This is the hole we saw from down low. Very cool. It's very low light, so I don't know how well the GoPro is going to show some of this, but so we're inside a lava tube. So this whole area of the Mojave, there's a ton of volcanoes. You can see them out there, and this is the remains of an ancient volcano. It's hollowed out, and we got some footage of that from the top, but the sunlight just comes in, and it's really cool, just super cave-like in here, but not entirely like a cave. If you've ever been to like a big cave like Mammoth Cave or something, it's very different than that, and it's really cool. Glad you guys made it this far along in our video. If you are still tuning in, this is the Hole in the Wall Rings Trail, which we really enjoyed. Here you can see there is different markers along the trail which show a couple of different highlights of the area. You can see petroglyphs, which is evidence of the Native American culture and history in the area, and of course there are budding wildflowers all along the trail as you head deeper into the canyon. Once you make the hike around and you start to enter the canyon, the namesake of the trail is so evident. With wonderful holes all throughout all the different rocks, this canyon is very special as you make your way to the famous ring section. After only a couple hundred feet through the canyon, you will make your way around a little bend, and then there are the famous rings. Of course, you'll have to be physically capable of pulling yourself up and climbing up if you want to make your way all the way to the end of the trail. And even after you get through the rings, there are a few small sections that will require a little bit of extra effort to finish up. Once the scramble is done, you've made it back to the parking lot, with still plenty more to explore right at the end of the trail.
It's a face! Ah! Knock, knock.
1.5 mile hike. Super cool with those rings in that canyon. Highly recommend. Thanks so much, guys, for joining us. We hope you enjoyed the video of the Mojave Preserve as much as we enjoyed filming it. If you're curious as to what the intro and outro drone footage is, it's actually from Amboy Crater, which is nearby to the Mojave Preserve, but totally legal to fly the drone. I know that it's a little bit choppy. I had some issues with a memory card, so we are in the process of fixing that already. But if there's anything else in these videos that you can see that we need to improve upon, please let us know, because we're always trying to bring you better content. Thanks again, and we hope to see you next time.